Getting users to adopt a new process can be like, well, kind of like herding cats. Each user is unique and gravitates to something specific, some sort of motivation that will move them to adopt a change.
The key to a successful launch is understanding that motivation.
Maybe someone is interested in getting more overtime, so their motivation is monetary. Other users might want control over their personal lives, yet may be hesitant to learn something new. Even those in leadership roles may be weary of making any changes to their comfortable old processes, even when they know the new way will save them time. Helping you speak to those motivations is why we're here. Shiftboard's change management framework starts with awareness. Through messaging and continual communication, let the team know what's happening and get buy-in right away.
One way to do this is to be clear on the value employees will see from Schedule Pro.
To support you, we've tailored online and hands-on training to give users the confidence to get out of the past and pounce into the future. Finally, Shiftboard will help you define your specific adoption goals.
What kind of user behavior do you want to encourage?
For example, you want to see 50% of your users submit leave requests when they're sick, or give schedulers a 30% time reduction when employees volunteer for overtime. Whatever the goals are, they should reflect what matters to your business, and we'll use trackable metrics to prove those out. Shiftboard will help you find the right tools to move the team from awareness to full adoption. Your customer success manager will also help identify signage, videos, and other handouts to alert, involve, and cheer on your teams. Real-time metrics guide where to focus efforts and ease the path to adoption. Shiftboard has the tools and the industry experience to help you herd all the cats. Whether it's giving users more control over their lives and schedule, making the most of limited resources in a tough job market, or staying compliant with powerful scheduling rules, Shiftboard helps you meet your business goals.